Trying to decipher the obscure language of money and finance? Feeling more isolated than a penny in a cryptocurrency wallet? You're not alone. We're all in this together. Welcome to the token effect, where we don't just demystify the financial world, we throw it a surprise party. Here, you're more than a bystander. You're an esteemed part of a lively gang, all set to dance through the electrifying puzzle of the financial universe together. Let's unravel the finance and crypto puzzles, uncover the enigmas behind those head-spinning interest rates, inflation, and just how they're stealthily nibbling dollars from your back pocket while you're obliviously investing in the next big thing. This isn't your typical finance channel. We skip the jargon, ditch the fluff, serve insights with a dash of humor, keeping it light, breezy, and comprehensible, all packaged in a condensed and delicious format. So why stay lost when you can join our tribe and step into the clear with a community of like-minded financial adventurers? Hit that subscribe button and make sure to ring that notification bell to stay financially funky. Come join the Token Nation. We are eagerly waiting for you.